Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna see how to choose colors in UI design. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video and let's get started. Alright, there are 5 steps that you need to know before getting your hands into the colors. What are they? Let's have a look. First one, importance of colors in UI design. The second one, psychology of colors. And third one, color contrast. And the fourth one, role of color palettes. And then final one, the fifth one is how to choose colors. So these all are the main steps that we need to go through before figuring out the colors in your UI design. Okay, let's see the first point. Importance of colors in UI design. If you look at the graphic, what it tells exactly. Color 1 is a gray color. The color 2 is bright orange. So this visual approach instantly communicates the message and convert the users into the specific actions. So here the color plays a major role, like without struggling to understand the main purpose of the specific component. So this is the reason that choosing the right colors are very important in UI design. Second point, color psychology. So I have added bunch of colors here to understand these purpose. These all are major colors, but you can play around with the shades in the family, in the color family. Red is very powerful, basically, which is widely used for various products in its own brand meaning. And orange for health. Basically, a lot of food related products use orangish red colors in their branding. And pink mostly liked by females, but I don't use it mostly in my UI designs. And the next one, purple is luxury, which is one of my favorite color. I often use this in my projects. And yellow for hope and brown for earth. Mostly designers won't choose brown colors. I haven't seen much of it, but it's completely depends on the brand mindset to use it. And then green, black, blues and white. These colors are beautiful colors, in my opinion. These are my favorite colors. I use them frequently. These colors gives sort of a beautiful accent to the UI. Alright, third point is color contrast. If you look at the left side portion, which is poor contrast, right side is better contrast. It's a self-explanatory visual, but I will make it clear for those who are trying to understand this as a beginner. Alright, color contrast plays a major role in any sort of designs, not only in UI. Over here, bright fluorescent green kept on top of the another green color, right? So which is actually can't see it. You need to put more effort to at least to guess it right. Why? Because they both are bright colors. That's the reason that you cannot see it. If you refer the right side portion, which is actually looks great, this results comes by using opposite contrast color. That means if you ever use a bright color, try to mix it up with a darker shade, which will give you a better result. I hope you understand this. If you're still having doubt, write your comments down below. Alright, let's go to next point. Alright, fourth point, role of color palettes. There are 4 types of colors you should create for your projects. Why is that important? Because it helps you to maintain consistency everywhere in the screens. Also, it allows you to easily maneuver between the shades. Alright, and the first one, primary color. The primary color is something that used for primary actions like a CTA and other important areas to make the brand feel. The second one is secondary color, which is used for adding a bit of life into the existing colors. But if you ask me that should I keep secondary color, is that mandatory? See, it's subjective. Whether the brand allows you to add more colors, you can go for it. Be open for giving more rooms for creativity. You don't have to put yourself into a box, right? And the third one is neutral colors, which is used for backgrounds, fonts, and strokes, and so on. And I love neutral colors to balance my UI design. A lot of neutral colors I use. And the final one, the semantic colors. The semantic colors are used for specific action states like errors and success, warning, something like that. These all are the six widely used for. These are the six major colors widely used for, and I hope this helps you to create your own palette. Last but not least, how to choose colors. The final step, which is very important, how to choose colors. As the UI designer, mostly you play in the UI area. So consider that you're not doing any sort of brand designs, right? So what you could do is basically just derive the colors from the logo itself. In this case, I have taken Domino's for example. So I picked up dark blue as a primary color and red as secondary color, and additionally I have added some neutral colors, which is going to be used for typography. And what you don't have to do here is, as I mentioned in the color contrast point, either you use lighter color on darker shade or darker color on the lighter shade. That's the meaning that 100% block tells which is very prominent than 10% block. I hope you all find this video very useful, and lot more contents yet to come. So please engage yourself in this channel. I will be sharing more tips and tricks which I personally been practicing since 10 years. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like it. Post your comments for more support. We'll see you all in the next video.